Hi, I'm Bob Linde. I'm a registered herbalist and acupuncture physician. I'm coming to you today from the Magical Butter Kitchen, and I'm going to show you how to make a tincture recipe with the Magical Butter Machine. And a tincture is an extraction using either alcohol, vinegar, we can even use glycerin. Today we're going to work with vinegar, and we're going to work with 2 herbs, and that's really important. We can certainly use single herbs and do extractions, and you can do your research about a single herb. But really, the magic of this machine is the fact that we can put formulas together. So putting a combination of plants together for a specific individual or a specific issue. Today we're going to combine 2 plants, kratom and oat straw. These 2 plants work synergistically together. We find that kratom's kind of dry, and people who are using it on a daily basis end up skin issues, sometimes some constipation, just really thirsty all the time. And so by adding the oat straw, this moistening plant, we can create the perfect combination. So we're going to measure both of these herbs out. And depending on how strong you want it, maybe how wet or dry we want it, but let's just say an even amount. So let's go ahead and measure out our 2 teaspoons of each one of these herbs. So we're going to go ahead and directly add them into the Magical Butter Machine, and then add 2 cups of the apple cider vinegar. And remember not to use the ones with the mother in there, but to use just the pure refined apple cider vinegar. So we're going to take all of our ingredients and add them right into the Magical Butter Machine. And with the vinegar, with these particular plants, we're not really worried about temperature, so we can go ahead and use one of the higher temperature settings, either 160, 220. And for me, the longer we can cycle it, the better. I oftentimes make my medicine overnight, so I'll set it on the full 8-hour cycle on there. We really want to avoid overdoing it or heating it if we've got volatile oils. Think mint or patchouli, something like that, even lavender. We don't want to lose all of those great volatile oils that smell. So if we're going to use a plant like that, make sure that you either use no or low temperature. We might only want to cycle it for about 2 hours so that we don't damage the plant and any of those more delicate constituents. I'm Bob Linde, acupuncture physician and registered herbalist from the Tradition School of Herbal Studies, coming to you from the Magical Butter Kitchen to talk to you about making a tincture recipe, the Magical Butter Machine.